With an overconsumption of superficial media, the loss of mentorship, and the rise in comparison culture, it is no wonder why we are losing the recipe for becoming the creme de la creme. There are unwritten rules to becoming an outstanding, top-of-the-art woman that every woman must know. As time passes and the older generations of women move through the phases of life, the subtle charisma they carried and the way that they could captivate without effort begins to fade. The lessons once learned through experience, observation, and intuition risk being lost to a world that prizes noise over nuance, and with them goes a different kind of magnetism that cannot be taught, only inherited and understood. However, cultivating that presence isn't impossible. There are concrete ways to enhance your appeal and reclaim that subtle power every woman is capable of owning. This is how you enhance your appeal. Number 1, become emotionally intelligent. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions while navigating the emotions of others with empathy and discernment. Mastering this makes you quietly magnetic. People are drawn to those who remain calm under pressure, those that respond thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively, and those who make others feel seen and understood. The more you can tune into your own emotional landscape, the better you can read a room. And as a woman, that is gold. This skill is so powerful because women have long faced the unfair stereotype of being labeled as too emotional. However, when you are able to showcase control over your emotions, you can remove the possibility of being controlled by others, therefore avoiding that label entirely. Number 2, don't overshare. For decades, we've heard the phrase, "You never ask a lady her age," and it's not for nothing. Mystery has its own charm. While honesty and authenticity are important, oversharing too soon can dilute your presence and make others feel overwhelmed. A part of being magnetic is knowing what to reveal and when. Keep certain stories, thoughts, and feelings to yourself at first and let them unfold gradually over time. By doing so, you create intrigue, invite curiosity, and give people a reason to pay attention to you. Number 3, keep your next moves private. Keep your successes, your plans, and your struggles alike to yourself, or at least on a need-to-know basis. As a woman, you should never reveal how much money you have, your next moves, or the challenges that you are facing. If times are hard, always do your best to not look like what you're going through. In addition to this, always have something going on for yourself, and if you can't find an opportunity, then create it. Number 4, value people's time by being punctual. Respecting others' time by being punctual is a simple but powerful way to show that you value them. When you arrive on time, it signals reliability, self-respect, and consideration. On the other hand, being consistently late, even unintentionally, can give the opposite impression, that your priorities are elsewhere, that you're disorganized, or that you don't take others seriously, and this can leave a bad taste in the other party's mouth. Showing up on time demonstrates that you respect both yourself and the people around you, and respect goes a long way. Number 5, learn how to listen. Attentively listening to others goes far beyond just hearing words. It's about being fully present and giving them your attention. When in conversation, don't scroll on your phone, and show people that you're listening with nods or back channel cues. When you genuinely listen, you show that you value their thoughts and feelings, which instantly makes you more appealing and trustworthy. Psychologically, people are wired to respond positively to those who make them feel understood, and if you watched my presence upgrade video, you already know this. Studies in social psychology show that active listening can strengthen relationships, increase likability, and even trigger the release of oxytocin, the bonding hormone, in both the speaker and the listener. Number 6, knowledge is power. Continuously seek knowledge and invest in your own growth. Being well informed not only broadens your perspective, but also makes you engaging and intriguing to be around. People are naturally drawn to those who can contribute meaningfully to conversation, share insights, and spark curiosity. Beyond social appeal, learning strengthens your confidence and independence, qualities that are inherently magnetic. Knowledge isn't just about facts, it's about understanding the world, yourself, and others, and using that understanding to navigate life with grace and intelligence. Number 7, spread your knowledge with humility. Sharing what you know is powerful, but how you share it matters more than what you say. Present your insights in a way that invites conversation, rather than shutting it down and coming across as a know-it-all. People are drawn to those who are confident in their knowledge, yet humble enough to listen, learn, and acknowledge others' perspectives. Humility combined with expertise is magnetic because it shows that you are secure in yourself, approachable, and simultaneously generous with your knowledge. Number 8, don't be needy. Have a sense of independence and confidence about yourself, and you'll notice that others are naturally drawn to you. Neediness can unintentionally push people away, whereas self-assuredness signals that you value your own time, energy, and worth. People are drawn in like magnets to those who are emotionally stable, comfortable in their own skin, and able to enjoy life without relying on constant approval. Think back to what I said earlier about the importance of always having something going on for yourself. By focusing on your goals and personal growth, you become someone who adds energy and intrigue to any interaction rather than draining it. The world may be losing the art of allure, but that doesn't mean that it's lost to you. These qualities are not just tools for attraction, they are the essence of influence and respect. As women, cultivating these traits allows us to navigate life with grace, to command attention without demanding it, and to engage with the world from a place of authenticity and feminine charm. If you made it this far into the video, I'd like to say thank you for being here with me. If you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.